Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to show you my two rings from Kadia. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. If you like this type of video, please do not forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate that. First, I want to show you my Kadia love ring. So Kadia Love Ring comes out in 1970s as a child product from the love bracelets. It has all variations. It has the thinner versions with no diamonds, with 1 diamond, or it has the thicker versions with 3 diamonds or no diamonds. And mine is the ones with 3 diamonds, thicker version, pink gold, just to match with my love bracelets in pink gold with 4 diamonds. So together it's gonna be like this. And specifically to the ring, it has 1 diamond and then no diamond ones, circle, and also 1 diamond, no diamond ones. So in total it has 3 diamonds total of 0.22 carat, and the width of this ring is 5.5 mm. So the width of this ring is 5.5 mm. I want to show you my little stories about these love rings. Actually, I got these rings in Miami, Florida in May 2019, while actually my husband and I were celebrating my daughter Hannah's baby moon. We went to Chicago, Miami, while we were in Miami, one day we stepped into the Kadia boutique and purchased this ring. But when we are in Miami, I actually end up with a thinner version with just 1 diamond. So while my husband and I, and also the salesperson in the boutique, will feel like, since my finger is really short, and they would recommend me to go with the thinner versions that will look better for me. And when I actually go back home, I was thinking I really want to have a ring to match with my bracelets. So I go back to my local boutiques and tried on the regular thicker version with 3 diamonds, and I really liked it. So I go in and actually exchange this ring at my local boutiques. That's the little story about this ring. And with time being, when I first get it, a few weeks, I do feel a little bit thicker, but since I want it a matchy set, matchy, I went with this, and after 2-3 months, I kind of get used to it, and I right now really like this ring. So highly recommend. Very nice. And it does not move around on my finger if you choose the right size. Okay, that's about the love ring. Another ring I have from Kadia is the Trinity ring here. So the Trinity ring is a very classic piece from Kadia. It was designed by the Louis Katia in 1924. It is definitely a signature style from Katia Mansion. As you see, the Trinity ones has 3 rings all together. It has the pink gold, yellow gold, and also the white gold. And in the pink gold, it has the Katia words on it. I'm not so sure if it's visible in the camera, but this is the only one has the Katia word logo on it. How do we wear those? So for these rings, it has a small little tips on wearing them. You have to make sure that you organize the 3 rings in order into the order that you like, and then slowly roll it down like this. Otherwise, it will stuck in the middle. 3 rings won't roll together. So that's the small tips. Mine is in the classic size, and the current retail price is $1,340 here in the United States. And forgot to mention earlier, The love bracelets with 3 diamonds currently retails for $3,650. Okay, and these Trinity rings, I find it very easy to be on and off, and I really like the style. I sometimes wear them in one hand. I'll wear the love ring in the middle and a love ring in my fourth finger, and my Trinity is in my middle, like this. And sometimes I'm wearing it in another hand just to separate it out, like this. And the Trinity ring, I actually got it from Miami, the same trip as well. That's the most wonderful trip, really good memories from that trip. That's about it. If you have any questions regarding to those 2 rings, please comment down below. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!